Hi friends, today I'm going to tell you how to solve the problem with C14A error code and C14A support code in Snapchat. First of all, make sure you're using the latest version of the app. Go to your device's Play Store, tap on the search icon at the top and search for the app. If you see an update button next to the app name, tap it to make sure you're using the latest version. If the problem persists, try clearing the app cache. Go to your device's settings, scroll down to the apps and tap on it. Find the Snapchat app and tap on it. Then select Clear Cache. Clearing the app cache may solve the problem. If the problem persists, try reinstalling the app. Go to your device settings, find the Snapchat app and tap Uninstall at the bottom. Confirm the action by tapping OK. Once uninstalled, go back to the Play Store, find the app in the search bar at the top, and tap the button next to the app name to reinstall it on your device. I really hope one of these solutions solves your problem. If it does, show your support by clicking the heart icon and consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button.